Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my new Lip Monthly for the month of July. If you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Now, for those of you who don't know what Lip Monthly is, I wrote down a couple quick notes so we can get straight into the unboxing. You receive 4 full-size lip products every month. You can cancel it anytime you want, and it does have free shipping, and it is $12.95 a month. Now, they have a special going on right now that for your first bag, you only pay $5. And the code for that is called FIRST5, F-I-R-S-T 5. And I'll put it down at the bottom of the screen. So you'd only pay $5 for your first bag with free shipping. So definitely take advantage of that if you're interested in this. Now they also have a Plus plan, which is $19.95 a month. And you will receive 2 to 3 more items, and you will receive one will usually be a palette. I haven't done it yet. I haven't seen too many other unboxings out there. I might consider doing it next month. I don't know. I'm going to think about it. But with that said, let's go ahead and open this one and see what I got. Now, when I open it, it comes in a lovely little tiny makeup bag. And it's very cute. It's cloth. You could throw it in the washer. It would wash up very nice. And there's a little card in here, and there is some descriptions of everything that's in here, so that's awesome. So let's go ahead, open it and see what we got, shall we? Now the first one out, this is Peel Cosmetics, and this is Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick, and this is $21 value, and this is a very lovely color. I would definitely say this would be a color I'm going to wear. I'm not going to open it right now, but as you can see, it is a beautiful color. Does it have a color on here? What it says? No, it just has like Muse, M-U-S-E, Muse. I thought it was letters or numbers, I mean. Yeah, so it's Muse. I don't know. I think I've got this one though. That sounds familiar, the name Muse. I don't know. Okay, let me put everything behind me here so you guys can see what you get for $12.95. You get the little makeup bag. You got the one little liquid lip stick. And okay, the next product out is this, and this is Dirty Little Secret. And it does not have how much this runs, but the color is called Naked. Thank you. I'm always appreciating that I'm getting some really good colors out of this company. Oh, that's beautiful color. Look at that. Dirty Little Secret in the color Naked. So I'm not going to swatch that right now. Like I said, I got so many lipsticks going on, but I will put it behind me so you guys can see. And the next product out is this, and is So Susan, and this is Hot Light Highlighting Pencil for $20. And there's the color on the end, and it's very, and what do you do with this? What do you do with this, guys? I don't know what this is. Like, what is it for your lips? That's what I thought. Maybe like a lip liner was what I was thinking, but they're calling this a highlighter pencil. Leave down in the description box if you guys know what I'm supposed to do with this. I'm not going to open this up right now either, but I will put that back there so you guys can see. And I have one more product, and that is, and it's called Cappuccino. And this is by Sourmay Cosmetics, Beverly Hills, and there's the color. And this is, okay, this is smear proof lip liner. Now this is a lip liner, so that's awesome. I always love a good lip liner. And S-O-R-M-E. So There's no information on this one either, so I don't know the price of that. But that is what you got for $12.50, or $12.95, I should say. You got a lip liner, you got a highlighter pencil. Highlighter pencil, like I always think highlighter like here. Is that what that is? You just put it on your cheeks maybe a little bit. And then I got a liquid lipstick, and I got a naked lipstick in a naked color. So I will leave a link down below if you're interested in trying LipMonthly. And remember, there is a $5 code right now, which is first 5. You will get your first bag for $5, but I also have a link if you would want to use that. I will get a discount, but if you use my link, I think you pay $7.95. So use the first 5 code. That would be better for you. Okay, so if you guys are liking my videos, please don't forget to hit subscribe. It means a lot to me. And also hit the little like button, and that helps me out in the YouTube world. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah.